Everybody's getting geared up for the 4th of July 2021. All you backyard pyros, check out this take cake. Intensity. It's made by Shogun. It is 12 shots. Let's open this up and look at this, man. Jeez. This is one badass cake, man. These tubes are huge. Very nice, man. I don't see us being disappointed here. But as soon as it gets dark tonight, man, we will definitely get it lit, man. Alright, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Shogun Intensity. Go ahead, Q1. Damn.